And welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make money with Envato Elements, a fantastic platform for creatives. Whether you're into design, music, or video, Envato Elements can help you earn money online. Let's get started. What is Envato Elements? Envato Elements is a subscription-based platform where users can access a vast library of digital assets such as graphics, templates, stock photos, and more. Users of the subscription-based platform Envato Elements get access to a huge collection of digital assets, including templates, graphics, stock pictures, and more. As a contributor, you can earn money by selling your own creations on the platform. Step 1. Signing up as a contributor. To get started, visit the Envato Elements website and sign up as a contributor. Fill out your profile information and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 2. Creating and uploading your items. Next, create high-quality digital assets such as graphic designs, WordPress themes, music tracks, or video templates. Ensure your items meet Envato Elements submission guidelines. Step 4. Submitting your items for review. Upload your creations to Envato Elements and submit them for review. The platform's review team will assess the quality and suitability of your items. Step 5. Setting prices and licensing. Once approved, set the prices and choose the licensing options for your items. Envato Elements offers a subscription model where users can download unlimited items, so pricing competitively can attract more buyers. Step 6. Monitoring sales and earnings. Track your sales and earnings through the Envato Elements dashboard. You'll have access to detailed analytics and reports to help you optimize your sales strategy. That's it for today's guide on how to make money with Envato Elements. If you're ready to start earning, check out the link in the description to sign up as a contributor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.